In this lesson, I will show you the round function. Beginning, I want to make a distinction between the result produced by the round function and the result I get when I decrease the number of decimal digits, as I have shown you that you can do from here in the number palette. I will select cell C3 and I will reduce the number of digits back to 1. Now one can say that the number is rounded, but this is not the case. I see a rounded version of the number, but the number inside the cell has not changed. What changed was the way the number is shown. I will increase the decimal digits back to 6, and as you can see, they are still there. With the round function, things are different. The final result is not just displayed as rounded, but is also stored as rounded. So if I perform calculations with the result of the round function, the operations will be carried out according to the new value. That is very important to keep in mind. Okay, let's see the round function now in action. I will move to cell E3 to use the function here. I want to round the content of cell C3. From the Home tab, I will open the Sum tool and select more functions here. I will choose the Math and Trig category. Trig stands for trigonometry. Looking for under the R letter, I will find the round function. Okay, I will click the round function and I will click OK here. Things are quite simple. I select the cell that has the number I want to round, so I will select here C3 as the cell I want to round, and as the second parameter I will put the number of digits I want. Here I will put 1 and I will click OK. You see that although more digits are displayed, the rest after the first have been lost. So in this cell, the number stored is 151.1, and any operations using this cell will be carried out with this number and not with the original number that had all the decimal digits. Something interesting is that the number of digits I can put is can also be 0 or negative numbers. If I put 0, then the rounding is done to the nearest whole number, to the nearest integer. I will click on the FX tool to edit the formula in cell E3, and I will change the parameter for the number of digits back to 0. I will click OK, and now you see that the result is a whole number. I will go back to the formula with the FX tool, and I will put -1 as the number of digits here, and I will click OK. Now the result is rounded to the nearest 10, meaning 151 became 150 because the nearest 10 to 151 is 150. If my number was 156, then it would become 160 because 160 would be the nearest 10. Let's go one step further here. I will change the second parameter to -2 this time. I will click on the FX tool and put the number -2 as the second parameter, and I will click OK here. Now I have rounded up to the nearest 100, so 151 became 200 because the nearest 100 to 151 is 200. There are many more rounding functions in Excel. Those interested can see them in the advanced level courses. In all these functions, it's important to remember that the final result is not just visual, but it is real. That is, the round function will produce a number with the rounded portion really gone. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching.